When manufacturers of large products want to improve their performance, they envision processes that are better, faster, and safer. That's where ALM Positioners, the pioneer of intelligent positioner equipment, comes in. ALM Positioners specializes in manufacturing intelligent positioners, combined with a solution-driven customer experience. With a positioner, parts are correctly positioned for welding or assembly. Positioners allow the skilled workforce to safely speed up their handling time while eliminating dangerous hazards on the manufacturing floor. Welders and operators are safer when they use positioners specifically designed to lift, rotate, and hold their parts securely. ALM Positioners serve a variety of industries across the globe, including construction, agriculture, energy, mining, trailer, aerospace, marine, bus, military defense, and more. At ALM, best-in-class positioners are backed by leadership, process engineering expertise, manufacturing know-how, and a commitment to service delivered by their trusted team. While ALM Positioners continue to grow and evolve with innovative use of artificial intelligence and automation, they remain focused on their mission, delivering a return on investment to their customers with positioners that make manufacturing processes better, faster, and safer.